Ever wish you could rewind time on Weverse, bringing back a familiar setting or look? Well, you absolutely can. Today, we're diving into how to tweak Weverse and tailor it to your perfect preferences. Let's get started. First, open up the Weverse app. See that little profile icon in the bottom right corner. Give it a tap. Now, look for the settings icon, which usually looks like a gear or cogwheel. In the top right corner of your profile page, tap on that. This settings menu is your control center. Let's say you accidentally change the language. Scroll down to find language and tap on it. You'll see a list of available languages. Simply select the one you want to use, and Weverse will automatically switch over. Maybe you prefer a light or dark theme. Back in the main settings menu, look for display mode or theme options and select your preference. And if you're being bombarded with notifications, this settings menu is also the place to manage those. Tap on notifications to customize what updates you receive. That's it. With these simple steps, you can easily customize Weverse to fit your needs and make your experience just right. Now you can go back to enjoying all things Weverse exactly the way you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Weverse tips and tricks.